Hi guys, it's Ayana. Today we're doing some a miniature cat fan. Right now you need is a piece of paper. Make sure there's just a little design. You can start to cut it. So I'm gonna tell you what's the long. It doesn't need to be easy. You can just cut it. Put the bank in the side. Then I'm gonna go fold. Make sure they're all even. I'll be right back once I finished it. I finished it, guys, so you see I have it. Now we're gonna use is these green. We're gonna make the eyes and make it they're really small. So I'll be able to fit in my mini fan. Like you can't sell it in a circle. This. So now we don't need to use the black, or I guess I could. See, now I need to make a tiny little stripe. See? I can put it on here, but it can't be really big. If it looks really big to you, you can cut it. And you cut it. Now, you need to. I'll be right back once I put all of these all together, and you'll see what it looks like. So guys, I finished. Here's it. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Bye guys!